There was once a student named Amin. During his first semester, he struggled with discipline and inconsistent study habits. As a result, when the semester ended, his grades reflected that lack of effort. He scored an average of 7.25 out of 20, placing him below the passing threshold. Frustrated and disappointed, Amin made a firm decision to engineer his academic comeback. He committed himself to studying 4 hours every single day, convinced that this level of effort would guarantee improvement. The second semester arrived. Amin kept his promise, worked harder, and spent long nights reviewing his lessons. But when the results came out, he faced a painful shock. He had failed again, this time with an average of 9.10 out of 20, still not enough to pass. Why did this happen? How can someone double their effort and still stay below the line? That is exactly what I'm going to explain, and more importantly, I will show you what Amin should have done instead, and what you can do to avoid the same trap. Without further ado, let's begin. Amin failed twice, not because he lacked effort, but because his study method was inefficient. He was spending 4 hours a day, but those hours were unfocused, mentally heavy, and filled with interruptions. To fix this, Amin needed a structure that forces deep focus, protects his energy, and breaks studying into manageable, high-quality blocks. That structure is the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique works like this. Choose one specific task, not a chapter, not a subject, one clear task. Set a 25-minute timer and study with full concentration. No distractions during these 25 minutes. No phone, no notifications, no switching tasks. Take a 5-minute break as soon as the timer ends. Repeat this cycle 4 times. After 4 Pomodoros, take a 15 to 20-minute longer break. Why it works? It forces your brain into short, intense focus. It prevents mental fatigue by giving structured breaks. It transforms long study hours into small, achievable blocks. If Amin had applied the Pomodoro Technique, his 4 hours would have turned into 8 focused Pomodoros, 0 wasted time, high-quality learning, sustainable daily progress. This is the difference between studying long and studying effectively.